A is for apple, red and round, bouncing on the ground with a happy sound. B is for ball, so bouncy and bright, bouncing up high, oh what a sight. C is for cat with a soft little purr, chasing a butterfly, swish and whir. D is for drum, boom boom bang, let's make music with a happy clang. E is for elephant, big and strong, marching through the jungle all day long. F is for fish, swimming in the sea, wiggling its tail so playfully. G is for guitar, strum and play, singing silly songs all through the day. H is for hat, big and blue, I wear it when the sky is sunny too. I is for igloo, cold and white, where penguins play from day to night. J is for jelly, jiggly treat, wobble wobble wobble, oh so sweet. K is for kite, flying so high, dancing like a rainbow in the sky. L is for lion, loud and proud, roaring in the jungle, not too loud. N is for moon, glowing bright, watching over us all night. N is for nest, cozy and neat, baby birds, tweet tweet tweet. O is for octopus, wiggly arms, waving in the sea with underwater charms. P is for pencil, write and draw, a rainbow rocket, a tiger's paw. Q is for queen with a golden crown, smiling as she walks through town. R is for rainbow, colors so wide, red, orange, yellow, side by side. S is for sun, shiny and hot, warming the earth, a happy little spot. T is for train, chug chug choo, riding the tracks, just me and you. U is for umbrella, open it quick, rainy days need a colorful trick. V is for violin, sweet and slow, playing a lullaby soft and low. W is for whale, singing in the sea, a giant friend for you and me. X is for xylophone, ding ding ding, listen to the happy bells ring. Y is for yawn when we're sleepy tight, time to snuggle and say goodnight. Z is for zebra, black and white, galloping home in the pale moonlight.